Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNut.com. I'm here to give a quick overview on how to play our number crunch rounding game. When you first start the game, this is the menu you'll see here. And if you choose tens, you'll play the rounding to the nearest tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. If you click this button, it'll take you to our site. The video button will take you to this video that you're watching now in case you're interested in that. The question will show you the instructions, and you just click the main menu to get back. Let's go ahead and play the tens version. Now the tens version is untimed, whereas the hundreds and thousands are timed. And the way this game plays is you're trying to clear all the board, this entire board here, of all the dark boxes, and the way you do that is you make matches over the boxes, and then the dark boxes will go away, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. But if you've played a match 3 game, basically you know how to play. You're trying to make matches of 3 or more of the same type candies, either horizontally or vertically. And like I said, I'll just show you in just a minute. Right here is the amount of lives you have. You have 5 lives, score, and then the level. So let's go ahead and look at the board. And right now, if I crunch this candy, then this yellow one will drop down and we make a match there. So let's go ahead and do that. And actually, when that goes away, that'll make a match there. That one will drop in. It should make a match with those 3. So this one says 28 rounds to 20. That is not true. Currently, true is highlighted. I want to be sure that is a false statement, so I'm going to identify it as being false, and I'm going to click on it. And that one went away, and I got that bonus little extra one there because that one dropped down to make 3. So let's go ahead and look at the board. I can go ahead. What I'm going to go ahead and do is match these blue ones here, get this one down here, and this one all the way down. I'm going to answer the question. Now, when you play it, can kind of be tricky because sometimes I even do this. I'll forget which ones I've got highlighted. So be sure and check which one's highlighted. This one, I'm going to go ahead and crunch this one. 84 rounds to 90. That's false. False is highlighted. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And that actually fell one down one. So 65 rounds to 70. I'm going to go ahead and click true. 39 does not round to 30. That's a false statement. And I made the match there. Okay, so that's how it is when you answer correctly. I'm going to go ahead and answer one incorrectly. 16 rounds to 10. I'm going to go say that's true when it isn't. And you notice this button appeared up here, and this will show up for a minute just saying to click this button if you want to see any errors. So if we're going to go ahead and click it, and there's a problem I missed. The problem was 16 rounds to 10, and the button I selected was true. So that's why it was an error. Let's go ahead and back out of that. And I'm going to go ahead. You notice when I made an error, it went from 5 lives down to 4, and along the way from making matches, I picked up a little bit of score. Also, this button, I didn't discuss that. That turns the sound on and off. You can't hear it in this video, but you'll get a little nice little dinging noise when you get one correct, and then a buzzer noise when you get one incorrect. So I'm going to go ahead and make a few errors here and show you what the end of the game looks like. I'm just going to click them randomly. Some of them are true, and okay, and let's go ahead and look at the errors. So I've made 4 errors, and there they are. And one more error. 67 does round to 70, so I'm going to go ahead. It's false. And the game is over, and it says, sorry, no more lives left, and total score 280. Now at this point, I can go to the main menu. I can click retry, and it'll go retry the level again. But if I want to see all my errors again, including that last one I made, just click that. And I can click this, and I can go back and forth like that. So here's, again, that's how you play. You can play the tens, 100s, thousands. The tens is untimed, whereas the hundreds and thousands you have a timed, and I'll show you. So you have 10 minutes there, and it's counting down. Let's go back to the main menu. And I'd like to say that this game plays well on PCs as well as touch devices. If you're not familiar with MathNook, there's never any sign up or membership required. All our games are free to play. And if you want to play different versions, we have a whole bunch of different versions coming out. We're going to have some integer versions, addition, subtraction, multiplications, regular addition, subtraction, multiplications, and then with decimals and with fractions. We have rounding, we have a time version, and we have some more games, some more on the way. So check back on our site, and I hope you enjoy playing this game. I hope it helps some, and thanks for watching.